English has 5 vowel letters. They are A, E, I, O, and U. These 5 vowel letters can make 2 kinds of sounds: long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. In the last video, we learned the long vowel sounds. The long vowel sounds sound exactly the same as their alphabet names: A, E, I, O, U. Long vowel sounds are usually spelled one of 2 ways: with 2 vowel letters together, with the first vowel making a sound and the second vowel being silent, and with a final silent E. Let's practice them again. A, rain. In this example, the I is silent, but it does have a job. It is helping the letter A make the long A sound. The letters A and the I are working together to make one sound. Rain. A, n. Name. In this example, the final E is silent, but it does have a job. It is helping the letter A make the long A sound. The A and the E are working together to make one sound. Name. N, A, m. E. Jeans. Again, we have 2 vowel letters, but only one long vowel sound, and the A is silent. J, E, N, Z. I. Tie. Again, we have 2 vowel letters, but only one long vowel sound. The E is silent. T, I. O. Coat. Again, 2 vowel letters, one long vowel sound. K, O, T. Ooh. Suit. Once again, 2 vowel letters, one long vowel sound. S, oo, t. Today we are going to learn the short vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds are usually made with one letter. They are shorter than the long vowel sounds. Listen and repeat. A, hat. At, at, hat. Bed. e, d, b, e, d, bed, I, fix, f, ix, f, ix, a, socks, s, a, k, s, s, a, k, s, socks, sun, s, n, s, n, sun. Activity. Your turn. How many letters and sounds? Say the words. Count the letters. Separate the sounds. Don't forget about double letters, digraphs, silent letters, and R-controlled vowels. Count the sounds. Say these words. Black, winter, different, sweater, April, sunglasses, count the letters. In black, we have 5 letters. In winter, we have 6. Different, we have 9. Sweater has 7. April, 5. And finally, sunglasses, 10. Now let's separate the sounds. B, l, a, k. B, l, a, k. The next word. W, I, n, t, Don't forget the R-controlled sound in this word. W, I, n, t, Okay, the next word is a little difficult. John's help. In the word different, the first letter E is silent. So we're going to go ahead and mark it out. Now let's say the sounds. D, I, f. So there's the double letter. E, n, t. Let's try it again. D, I, f, e, n, t. The next word. S, w, e, t, w, e, t, er. The next word, a, p, er, I, ol. A, p, er, I, ol. Finally, s, n, g, l, a, s, e, z. S, n, g, l, a, s, e, z. Don't forget the silent letters. So we discussed the silent letter here and different, but there is also a silent letter here with the letter A in sweater. Now let's count the sounds. So again, b, l, a, k has 4 sounds. W, I, n, t, remember these are controlled sound. So this means that it has 5 sounds. The next word, d, I, f, e, n, t, has 7 because of the double F. The next word, s, w, e, t, So again, the R controlled sound means that there are 5 with the double vowel here. A, p, I, ul. In this case, we have the same 5 sounds. And finally, s, n, g, l, a, s, double S, e, z, means we have 9. Problems of English. Problem number 1. Many one-letter vowels are not short vowel sounds. For example, the first A in April is a long sound, not a short sound. And for example, the U, the letter U, in put is not a short sound, but a totally different sound. U. Problem number 2. English does not always spell its short vowel sounds the same way. For example, you saw the letters EA together in the word sweater, but they make the short E sound, not the E sound. For example, the letter O in the word mother is the short sound, not the sound, which would be a short letter O. Problem number 3, and this is true for many of the sounds we are learning. You need to know the words in order to spell them correctly. For example, the words red and red, which is the past tense of read, sound exactly the same, but are spelled differently and have different meanings. They are different words. For example, I read a book yesterday. Remember, this is the past of read. In fact, read and read look the same, but have different pronunciations. I read a book yesterday. And notice the word sounds the same in this sentence, but is different. This car is red. Again, the same sound, 2 different words. Remember, English comes from many different languages, including French, Latin, Greek, and an older Germanic language. This is why English has more sounds, 44, than letters, 26, in general. But also why many words in English often have more letters than sounds. In fact, there are over 205 different ways to spell these 44 sounds. To be a better speller in English, you need to know the word. Remember, English is crazy. Let's review the sounds one more time. Practice them with me. Ah, ah, hat, eh, bed, I, fix, ah, socks, sun. In today's video, we learned 5 short vowel sounds, making our total now 36 sounds that we have learned in this video series. In our next video, we will review the long and short vowel sounds. Thank you.